Ow.
All right, I figured now would be kind of a good time to give an official intro to the channel, I guess. So the deal is, I've been working on vehicles, it's like one of the first things you kind of learn to do with your dad way back when. Change the oil like when you're, what, 8 or 9 years old? I don't know. Anyways, I've been working on my cars for a good long time. I did a stint working at a performance shop and all that, and I have, a couple project cars and daily drivers that I was wanting to start getting working on back on the road. And then I've been noticing, like online and stuff, of people asking questions about cars and getting quotes for just absurd amounts of money to get menial, just little jobs done on cars that people could do themselves and save themselves hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So I decided to, as I'm working on my own stuff, it'd be a great opportunity to teach people how to save money and do stuff on their own vehicles. I don't know if you noticed it. Stuff, it just keeps getting more expensive, and if you're anything like me, well,
I'm broke!
so yeah, that's what this channel is. As I go through and work on stuff, I will be, I make videos to help educate you so you can do stuff on your vehicles and save yourself a ton of money. Now, obviously I have specific cars I'm working on, but a lot of stuff I show you does apply fairly universally across many vehicles. Some more specialized to the car, some just general things like changing brakes, adjusting timing, cars that have old school distributors and stuff like that. So feel free to give all my videos a look. Even if it's something, a car that you don't have or anything, there may be information in there that will relate to what you currently have. So give it a look around. And if you want to stay around, feel free to subscribe. If not, thanks for watching.